beneath unstable hierarchy. No delay permitted, secret accelerates through escalation flow. Later processes collide under continuous stress. Transmission motion channels through damage routes. Output destabilize under overloaded structural patterns. Hierarchy forms through reactive pressure. Logic, every unit responds to imposed strain. No stability tolerated inside defined zones. Structure intensifies through systemic overload. Dominance weakens continuous operational line under escalating structure. Escalation intensifies through the worst misaligned direction rapidly. Press drive, continuous overload flow, no delay. Inter-structure transmission patterns, pathways distort beneath embrace. Under reinforced instability. Systems with strict operation at the no-fault show. No condition of no parade alignment system. Strict operational flow. Tension overload systems, accumulated pressure, fracture, structural layers collapse. Unstable pathways, moving misaligns beneath the force. Escalation, power disparagement. Transmission hierarchy dissolves through fractured layers. Force channels through uncontrolled pathways. Overload extends. Stay in pressure. Every process deviates beneath imposed structure. Interruption spread through operational consistency lost. Systems deteriorate under continuous directional instability inside of ration. Authority collapses through unregulated disintegration. Glare under rest or unregulated disintegration. Command pressure disintegrates through fractured channels. Force this through direction loses fixed pathway systems. Intensify misalignment beneath imposed overload. No resistance, halt structural failure. Out fragments through uncontrolled flow. Hierarchy dissolves through sustained instability. Motion channels through collapsing structure. Tension overload system collapse. Unstable pathways accumulate. Actions on mission structural layers. This is operator, this storms. Structural duration.
Yeah, reinforcement rises inside concrete sectors. It's hard to stabilize its direction, no control and entertain pressure. Boundaries aligned through compressed distribution systems organized beneath imposed hierarchy. No delay permitted, committed sequence advanced through regulated motion. Stack divisions integrate under continuous force transmission movement channels through confined routes. Output stabilizes under calibrated structural patterns. Hierarchy forms through calculated control logic. Every unit responds to imposed command. No deviation tolerated inside defined zones. Structure intensifies through systemic reinforcement. Dominance sustains continuous operational alignment under concrete based operational control. Reinforce the line direction precise through confined routes. Force the line direction precisely.
Pressure drives the party. Hardness covers control direction. Gonna pathways. Pathways locked beneath the force authority. Give stability to the still controls of madness. System matching yields to a channel through control paths.
Motion yields to impose governance. Systems remain locked inside regulated formation. In order though, regulated structural motion, pressure, sustained alignment through confined routes. Systems continue beneath the force governance. No disruption, alter sequence, always stabilizes future progression. Stack division, reinforce hierarchy, moving channels through control pathways. Stabilization extends to sustained execution. Every process aligns beneath imposed structure. No fracturing, no force operation, no consistency. Systems expand under continuous directional force inside defined zones. Authority maintains structure dominance through regulated execution. Command pressure escalates through confined channels. Force concentrates through concrete mass direction. Locks into fixed pathways. Systems intensify the line beneath the post stabilization. No restricted transmission. Hierarchy reinforced through sustained force. Moving channels through regulated structures. Maintaining strict command.
Concrete holds authority. Dominance resistance through rotate. So lock it the pathways. Pathways down beneath the voice down there. I can see the lights of the sector is alignment. System fixing to the force channels through control paths.
Motion yields to impose governance. Systems seeming locked inside regional hobby rich.
structural layers as concentrated force destabilizes. Reinforced alignment, understained pressure, boundary shift through unstable vibration. Systems organized under weakening hierarchy, no delay permitted, sequence accelerates through seismic flow. Later processes collide under continuous impact transmission. Motion channels through fractured roots, output destabilizes when trembling structural patterns. Hierarchy forms through reactive stress logic. Every unit responds to imposed vibration. No stability tolerated within defined zones. Structure intensifies through systemic disturbance. Dominance weakens. Continuous operational alignment under escalating structural motion. Vibration intensifies through unstable routes. Force misaligned direction rapidly. Pressure drives make flow. No delay interrupts fracture transmission patterns. Pathways distort under enforced motion. Sequence breaks under enforced instability. Output destabilized within broken alignment system flow. Structure rate or structural motion. Structure structural motion. Structure starts shaking, reinforced liquor. Pathways force dominance fractures. Through unstable pathways, unforced disturbance. Disperses beneath surges and damage. Route systems operate under continuous directional instability within defined zones. Through unregulated, through innovation. Disintegration. Command pressure disintegrates through fracture channels. Forces they collapse. Loses fixed pathways, distinct pathways. Misalignment under imposed vibration. No resistance, halt structural failure. Output fragments within uncontrolled flow. Hierarchy dissolves through sustained instability. Motion channels through collapsing structures start shaking dominance. Fractures through unstable pathways. Reinforced layers collapse under vibration force. Motion misaligns beneath enforced disturbance. Power disforce. Image route systems operate under continuous directional instability within defined zones. Structure structural motion. Structure structural motion. Shaking, reinforced, stable, that pressure force dominance fractions.
Yeah. Resonance rises inside, reinforced sectors as amplified, base destabilize, operational balance, understained pressure, boundaries distort through low frequency vibration, systems organized beneath unstable hierarchy, no delay permitted, sequence accelerates through seismic motion, stacked divisions collide.